Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this curly unit from Klaiyihair. This is their 20-inch curly finger coil ends glueless wig, and the unit is a 7x5 closure wig. This unit came fully pre-customized with the bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, and styled, so the only thing that you would have to do is just install the unit. Off camera, I did apply lace tint to the lace, and then I jumped right in with the install. To install this unit, I went in with the Kiss Colors adhesive spray, and I applied 2 layers of that spray for this install. Once the spray was nice and tacky, that's when I went in to lay the lace down. I like to lay my lace down starting in the middle, and then I work on the sides. Then I blow dry on the cool setting until the lace is fully glued down. I put on an elastic band to help melt my lace down while I'm styling the hair. This unit is already styled. It already came with these beautiful defined curls, but I'm just touching it up a little bit by adding some mousse to the hair. I also went in and started fluffing the hair just to give the hair a little bit more volume and shape. And at this point, I'm just defining the finger coils at the end with some mousse. I went in with the scissors to cut off any extra pieces that are just hanging and to layer the hair as well. Lastly, I went in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation 15 to blend this lace. Here we have the final look, the final outcome of this curly coiled unit. I actually really like this new finger coiled ends style with the curly hair. I feel like it gives the hair more volume and it adds more personality to the wig as well. With this unit coming fully pre-customized, I would say that this unit is definitely beginner friendly. It only took me honestly about 20 to 30 minutes to install this unit and style it. I like how soft these curls were. The hair did not shed too much. And I love the density on this unit. It is nice and full and thick. When it comes to curly hair, especially short curly units, I always expect volume and fullness, so that's a plus. Here's how the back of the unit look. The curls are nice and defined. There's a lot of volume and there are no gaps in between the hair. All in all, I really do like the texture and the quality of this unit. I love the finger coiled ends. The hair is super soft. And this unit was very, very convenient if you are looking for a wig that's quick when it comes to styling and installing. This is definitely the unit for you. Although this is a closure wig, it is also versatile when it comes to styling. I added 2 additional styles to this unit, so continue watching to see the results. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know how you like the unit and stay tuned for my next video.